Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to combine two fields in Tableau with create or a calculated field. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Combining two fields in Tableau is a straightforward process that would allow you to merge related data points into a single comprehensive view. This helps in understanding how different dimensions or metrics interact with each other. Now I'm going to create a new sheet here from scratch so that we can work with combining two fields. Now I'm going to rename this one as this. Maybe I'm going to 20 different color here, then bold, underline, and click apply, click OK. Now the next thing is, now first is go to the sales and then drag into the rows just like that. Of course you can choose from maybe I'm going to create a shape, or if not, like a line area. Let's stick for the bar, and then of course go to the date. There you go. Probably I'm sticking to the area for now. Going to put in some color. All right, and then now go to the search bar again and type in category. I'm going to drag the category on the rows and then the subcategory as well. All right. After that, now for us to be able to combine two fields here in Tableau, just click on the category, press Control and hold that and click on subcategory, and then right click on the create combined field. Right, so it's basically combining two fields here in Tableau. Once it's combined, I want you to drag it here on the rows. You see that one? All right, so basically that's how you combine two fields in Tableau. Another option that you can explore is go to the drop-down menu here and create a calculated field. Now obviously we can rename this as like this one, and then I want you to type a search for the category, right? And then space, and then plus, apostrophe, space, and then subcategory. And then subcategory, type in subcategory, click that, and of course click apply. And click on OK. Now what will happen is by creating new calculated fields, you can gain deeper insights into your data that might not be apparent from the separate fields alone. And of course, from here, combining fields can help in cleaning and standardizing the data. For instance, when you connect address fields to ensure consistent formatting or handling all these values. Of course, it reduces the number of separate fields, minimizing errors that might occur when managing or analyzing the multiple related fields. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.